Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ASUS ZenFone Zoom, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the system settings, and right here we have to find the display option. Now let's tap on sleep. And as you can see, here we've got some options from which we can choose. So at the top we've got relatively short options, and at the bottom the longest option, which is 30 minutes. So all you have to do is to tap on the option you'd like to use, and I will choose 10 minutes. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, after 10 minutes of an activity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.